Hi guys, good morning. I'm in Pondicherry, as you would know from my previous video. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the beaches of Pondicherry. Beaches of Pondicherry. Yeah. There are a lot of beaches in Pondicherry. It's mostly a single coastline. Compared to Goa, जहाँ पे वो coastline बहुत लंबी चलती है, and you pass different cities as and when you go to a different beach. Pondicherry is just one very small piece of area, और वो coastline same चलती जा रही है, and you come across different beaches, and you get confused as to which beach to visit and which beach to avoid, especially if you are on a weekend or have a time constraint or don't have your own vehicle for that matter. So basically how it works is there's Auroville and there's Pondicherry, और इन दोनों areas के बीच में multiple beaches are present. So I thought I'll give you a definitive beach guide so that you don't have to visit all of the beaches. I will be visiting all the beaches on your behalf so that you don't have to make that important decision of time versus place to visit. So here's the video. I will be starting it with Serenity Beach, which is a personal favorite of mine. The first time I visited Pondicherry was in 2017, and I went to Serenity Beach that time also. I went to Serenity Beach today as well, and it's incredible. Still got it. Yeah, I am in love with beaches that are clean, where the water is super transparent and clear, and not a lot of people are present in those areas, and Serenity Beach fits all the bills. वहाँ पे जाकर there's a sunrise spot, there's a black coastline, black space of rocks जो एक के ऊपर एक लगे हुए हैं, and you can walk on that and witness the sunrise or the sunset, whatever you want to do. Click pictures of yourself and just look at the entire shoreline. It's so beautiful. और अगर आप यहाँ से देखो ये वाले बीच पे ये पानी गंदा दिखेगा जो पास का है, right, which is closer to the shore, that is not so clean. उसके बाद में फिर clean water start होता है जो कि blue है. Serenity Beach पे एकदम beginning से ही clean water है. It's just a very very clean beach, and yeah, that's pretty much about Serenity Beach. Also you can do surfing there. वहाँ पे सर्फिंग की ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस कोचिंग वगैरह भी चलती है. People do surfing on Serenity Beach, so that's something you should keep in mind. Next one on the list is Auroville Beach, which is next to Serenity. Auroville Beach लोकल बीच है यार. यहाँ पे आपको और कम भीड़ मिलेगी Serenity Beach से भी, लेकिन यहाँ इट्स मोस्टली फिशरमैन बीच. लोकल जो फिशरमैन हैं वो यहाँ पे लैंड करते हैं, एंड दे कम हियर अलोंग विद द game that they have secured on the ocean. So that's what Auroville Beach is about. There are white, ये जो भी इनको कहते हैं, I don't know, anchors or whatever these things are called, ये यहाँ पे पड़े हुए हैं. You can come and sit on these and enjoy in Serenity the Auroville Beach. Pretty cool. I like it. लेकिन यहाँ का पानी गंदा है और local है mostly, and it's dirty also, dirtier than Serenity Beach. बट कम्पेयर टू Serenity Beach और भी कम लोग मिलेंगे आपको यहाँ पे. मोस्टली ओपन ही है, और जो भी लोग हैं वो लोकल हैं, so they don't really care what you do. That's about Auroville Beach, and we'll continue on to the next destination in this video. Stay with me guys. Next on the list is the Quiet Beach, and this is Quiet Beach. As you can see, it's an extension of Serenity Beach, which is right there. So those black rocks, when you walk from them and come here and then climb on this patch of black rocks, then it leads to the Quiet Beach. Yeah, pretty quiet. same thing. Not a lot of people here, and not a lot of fishermen also. Maybe few number of boats and even fewer number of people, and it's a local and even less number of people. Yeah, quiet beach. This is the Diamond Beach. Guys, अभी तक जितने भी बीचेस में मैं गया हूँ ना, डायमंड बीच इज़ प्रॉबली द बेस्ट वन ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. ये देख रहे हो पानी तुम लोग, ये पानी बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीन है. ये मिट्टी यहाँ तक आ रही है एंड बियॉन्ड दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली क्लीन वाटर. दूर दूर तक शोर का पानी भी एकदम साफ़ है और बीच भी बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीन है. बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे अगेन फिशरमैन है और आई थिंक दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द बीच. यहाँ से बोट्स वगैरह भी जाती हैं. ये यहाँ पे आपको बोटिंग भी करने को मिलेगी. अभी नहीं हो रही है लेकिन आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपको मिल जाएगी. गाइस, ये तो मैं बहुत हाईली रेकमेंड करूँगा. टेकिंग अ स्ट्रॉल डाउन डायमंड बीच टू रूबी बीच. Ruby Beach is the next beach on the list, and about Diamond and Ruby Beach, both of them are on the other side of Rock Beach or the Promenade Beach, which is the central beach of Pondicherry where everybody throngs to. अभी तक जो Serenity Beach, Auroville Beach थे, they were on the left hand side of it. This is on the right hand side of it. यहाँ आने में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम और एफर्ट लगता है, but then as you can see it's all worth it. Now I am walking from Diamond Beach to Ruby Beach. Catch you in a bit. Parkour! Woohoo! Parkour! Parkour, my boys! Parkour! Like Michael Scott. guys, this is Ruby Beach. I am in love with this beach because of the parkour opportunities available on this beach. And there's nobody here. It's 1 p.m. right now and there's nobody here. And I love this fact. There's nobody here at 1 p.m. So that one, the beach from where I just came from, Diamond Beach, is connected to this. If you walk left ways from Diamond Beach, you come to Ruby Beach. It's pretty much similar. Since you are further away from the shoreline, the water is cleaner here. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much that. There's no beach as such, but you get to sit and chill here. A lot of people, there's a lot of dirty stuff here. People are not keeping this beach clean. There are a lot of water bottles and broken beer bottles here. But such is India, such is life in our country. What can I say? That's pretty much that about Ruby Beach. And next to Ruby Beach, I think there are, if I go there, then that would be the Rock Beach and the promenade. And now I can't go to this other side. Ruby Beach is the maximum I can come on this side of Rock Beach. That other side, that other beach place is connected to Rock Beach and the promenade beach. So I'll have to go back on my motorcycle, which is parked there at Diamond Beach, come back, cross the bridges and the overways and come back to this side. So yeah, that's how the beach line works. So the next one would now be Rock Beach and promenade. Not too keen on visiting them. Everybody visits them. They are the most popular beaches of Pondicherry. If you arrive in Pondicherry, those are the ones that you would come primarily towards. And the reason why I made this video was also the same, that when I came back in 2017, the beaches that I visited primarily were Promenade and Rock Beach and Serenity Beach. Very expensive places. All the cafes and everything that are connected to those beaches are very expensive, and that is the price you pay for popular places, I guess. But yeah, I'll cover them now. Not too much though, like everybody knows most of the things about them. So yeah, pretty much that. Return of the parkour guys is somehow. So guys, this is the Pondicherry beach. This is on the other side of Ruby Beach and Diamond Beach that I just went to. As you can see, there are a lot of people here. This is the beginning of the beach and it continues all the way till there. And you can see the kind of people that are there. But then on the other side of the beach are really beautiful constructions, buildings. Because this behind this is the French town, French colony, and all the beautiful places that you come across near Pondicherry come from there. All the photos that you would have seen of yellow, orange and so on photos are from the French town, which is on the other side of this. And if I walk on this beach and keep walking on the other side, then I'll come to the Rock Beach. So that's pretty much that. That pier is under construction right now. That is where this beach ends. That is where the Rock Beach ends. So I'll take all of you to the Rock Beach anyway. But there's a lot of crowd. Even though it's what, 1:30 p.m, 1:32 p.m. right now, it still is very crowded. So I don't really like it. But because I've committed to you guys that I'm gonna take you to each and every beach of Pondicherry, I'm gonna take you to each and every beach of Pondicherry. Yeah. As boring as this beach can be, I really love eating cornetto, chocolate one, while walking on the promenade that is next to the beach. This gives me Miami Beach vibe. I am a sucker for Miami Beach. That's one of my dream beaches, dream places in life. Well, look at it. Kilometers and kilometers of tree and promenade and beach and rock beach and stuff. So even though this is the worst beach in Pondicherry in terms of the number of people that come here and the dirtiness question, I love it because of the promenade bit, this walking area, which is akin to international locations. Call me anti-national if you may. Look at it. Under construction building, historic ruins, French property, and so on and so forth. The other side of the promenade. No vehicles on this road. How cool is that? Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video with a time lapse from Rock Beach near that place that I'd shot back in 2017 when I'd come and woken up early in the morning at 4 AM to shoot a sunrise time lapse. I was a sucker for time lapses back then and feel like walking all the way there just for you guys. I'll finish my cornetto, go back to my hostel and sleep the Thank you so much for watching till the end. You guys are 200 as of this date. Jaldi like, share or subscribe type, so that this channel grows and I grow and my content grows. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.